Hello friends, now I am going to start one topic about strategy for poverty eradication. See, this question is also possible to be asked as steps taken by government for poverty eradication. So you have two possibilities, either steps for strategy for poverty eradication or steps taken by government for poverty eradication. You have to remember this. Okay, now remember first thing. Here I am explaining one line. This is most important. See, poverty is a vicious circle. Why I am saying this? If you are not earning, your family will remain in poor condition. You will not be able to satisfy needs of the family. Then what will you do? Think about. So it means it is very clear that we have to worry for problems to solve for poverty eradication. Is that clear? So remember this line. Vicious circle of poverty is increasing its grip. Grip means control, clutch over the people. See, we have already understood the reasons about it in earlier topic. So the question is not that what to do, what not to do, but some steps the government has already taken. In 11th 5-year plan, remember the word I have used. 11th 5-year plan, they have made the program. So basically we have concentrated for upliftment of urban area, for upliftment of the industrial sector, but we have neglected rural area. Means we were not concentrating in development of rural area. It is the very worst thing. So as per our Indian economy, we had mainly neglected these things. Agriculture sector was neglected, upliftment of the rural area was neglected. It became the reason for our poverty. So we need to remember this, that one time an Indian economy was in the great condition in the world, but now Indian economy is in the disastrous condition just due to neglecting rural area. When in rural area maximum people are living, it is the biggest questionary for us, that where the maximum population is living, we are not concentrating them. It is very bad. So we need to think about that. And remember one thing, village is the heart of Indian economy. The reason I have already said just before in this lecture, that what happened actually, people are coming and people are establishing their life in urban area, but we are neglecting rural area. It is too bad. And mostly the villages are need to be prosperous, uplift and develop. As a large part of budget is needed to divert to the rural area, but we have not done so. that is needed to be. Okay, one thing more. Actual development of the Indian economy as well as social development and cultural development is only possible. Actual development of the Indian economy, social development and cultural development all could possible if we think for upliftment of the villages, otherwise not. It means what I am saying is very clear. If we think for the development and upliftment of the village, then our economy could come on the right track. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay, next point. Here, one statement I am using, that is the program of government. Carefully listen me. Gramoday se Bharat Uday means Gramoday. Uday means upliftment. Gram means village. Bharat Uday, upliftment of India. So it is very clear, as I have said, if we think for the upliftment of the village, then the country's upliftment is also possible. So government has taken some important steps, and mainly it is necessary to understand this. Employment is required for any eradication step to make it possible for eradication of poverty. So agriculture sector, cottage industry and small scale industry are basic industries related to the rural area, and employment in that area, if we develop, then our development is possible. So here I have said 3-4 things. First, up to this time we have neglected village, we have concentrated urban area. Second, I said we have not concentrated for the agricultural sector's upliftment. Due to that, unemployment became a major problem, and when the unemployment come, then the problem of the poverty will also arise, and that is arising right now in India. Okay, now I am discussing the first step. See, in India, this is the biggest challenge to remove poverty since so many years, not for 1 year, remember. And for so many years, so many governments have come. They have already taken their steps on the larger scale. In wider concept, they have already tried Garibi Hatao, remove poverty. This was the slogan by earlier governments had given. They had tried to develop larger scale industries, also heavy industries, and by this way they try to encourage development of cities. I have already stated this line before, that the urban area was given more importance. But Green Revolution means changes in agriculture. Land Reform Acts means act related to the lands have also been taken. Steps means here government has already taken steps for development of industries as well as the agriculture sector, both, but it not became sufficient. So employment opportunity may increase was expectation of the government, and also government was thinking that the production will increase too. So it will become possible to reduce poverty. So here intention of the government was good. Okay, anything another point is there, the benefits for achievement in industrial sector may divert to the poor was also expectation, and increased income of the rich and the landlords in the agriculture sectors. Landlords means zamindar, the owner of the land. They will divert their increased money to whom? They will divert their increased money to the poor. Was expectation of government, but it not achieved completely. That is the biggest bad thing. Okay, but what happened now? The speedy economic development was also started, but this steady and speedy economic development not reach to its actual benefit. And when the steady and speedy economic development not continued, it became the slow. So it means distribution of income remained unequal. Rich became rich, poor became poor. On other side, what happened? The actual benefits were taken by the rich. So the poor were also already out of the list. And distribution of income was not became possible. As a result of this, the situation was not changed. Right, my friends? Here I discussed about the first step of strategy of poverty eradication. Okay?